Air quality in Delhi has plunged again. Most parts of the city are breathing very poor air. And as pollution levels spike across Delhi, India Today has found that the city's air quality display boards, which are meant to warn citizens, are not even working. Take a look at this special report.
Pollution spikes once again in the national capital, with air quality dipping to very poor levels. Across Delhi, most air monitoring stations are recording PM 2.5 levels above 300, squarely in very poor category. At several stations, readings have crossed 400, touching the severe mark. Delhi has 39 air quality monitoring stations, all functional according to the Central Pollution Control Board. But what's missing are the display boards meant to inform the public. India Today's ground check found that at Lodi Road, near the Indian Met Department office, the AQI display is completely non-functional.
It's written below the display board that this is the air quality display system for the Indian Meteorological Department. That is one of the stations out of the 39 stations where the DPCC, which is the Delhi Pollution Control Board, as well as the Central Pollution Control Board, display their air quality index. While the board may not be working, but when you look at the CPCB website for National Air Quality Index, on Lodi Road today, the pollution level is at 312, which is in the very poor category. This is the Lodi Road data only for today at this particular time.
At ITO, another key CPCB station, the readings on display have remained unchanged for the last 2 days. The data hasn't been updated at all.
The current AQI on this pollution index board, which is part of the monitoring station at ITO, is currently showing a PM 2.5 of 113 unit micrograms per meter. I've opened this here. Delhi is in the very poor category of 320. So this is the app that actually shows the pollution level. And even if you go on the CPCB website for the ITO station, if I can just increase the brightness, the ITO CPCB station shows pollution at 339.
The situation is similar across other stations too. In a city gasping for clean air, the least people deserve is to see how bad it is. With Milan Sharma in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.